The morning air is heavy today, signaling a shift that the ropes already feel.
Safety here is not a feeling. It is the discipline of watching for the smallest change.
Every load we save now is a victory against the hunger of the coming storm.
The morning air is heavy today, signaling a shift that the ropes already feel.
The forest has its own warning system. When the wings stop, we must follow.
Every load we save now is a victory against the hunger of the coming storm. A slipping anchor is a silent killer, hidden under the mask of a familiar tree.
In the canopy, moisture does more than wet the ground. It changes the wood's soul. The weight of the rain is often heavier than the grain we carry to the high store.
Trust is a luxury the mist does not allow when the bridge begins to breathe.
Safety here is not a feeling. It is the discipline of watching for the smallest change.
We move one at a time, letting the wood speak before we trust it with weight. When the mist swallows the ground, the only map we have is the sound of the wind. The forest has its own warning system. When the wings stop, we must follow. wind carries the weight of the storm, making every pound we carry twice as heavy. We do not fight the slip. We find new ways to hold what we cannot lose.
Height is a constant shadow, but the mist makes it feel like we are floating.
When you can no longer see the destination, you must rely on the rope's pulse.
Every handoff is a moment of total focus, where the height becomes a secondary thought.
We protect the harvest first, even when the very floor we stand on is failing.
Strength matters less than balance when the world below you is made of mist.
We are the keepers of the high places, where every step is a silent prayer.
The high store is safe. Now we must secure the lines before the rain peaks.
Even the water tells a story, carrying the secrets of the cliffs into our ropes. Light is our anchor in the darkness, showing us where the wood ends and the void begins.
When the world turns white, we listen to the language.
heavy roof is a comfort when the trees themselves are bowing to the wind. Trust is earned in the storm, one steady vibration at a time.
The night brings a new kind of height, where only the light shows the way.
We plan for the morning, knowing the forest will have changed by the time we wake.
Even in sleep, the connection to the wood remains, a silent trust in the trees. The first light is always a relief, showing us what the night has tried to hide. Fresh rope is a promise of stability, a way to reclaim the bridge from the storm.
The wood accepts the rope, a new bond formed to withstand the coming days.
A level bridge is a sign of a job well done, a small victory over the mist.
We follow the sound of the rope, moving where the tension tells us to go.
Stability is a choice we make every day, a way to keep the forest at bay.
The mountain itself is changing, a slow reminder of the power of the rain.
Every inch of sag tells us how much the wood has absorbed during the long night.
The high store is now full, a silent testament to the work of the whole village.
Smoke follows the wind, much like we follow the patterns of the rain and sun.
The mountain is our strongest ally, provided we respect the way it holds our weight.
We listen to the rock as much as the wood. Both have their limits.
Every new anchor is a promise of another season, a way to hold our ground.
The mountain has taken its toll, but the path remains open for those who listen. We are the masters of the heights, where every detail is a matter of survival. The wind is a test of our resolve, a constant push against the path we built. A solid floor is the foundation of our community, a safe place above the void. The night is a quiet observer, a time to listen to the forest's heartbeat. Safety is a constant cycle, a path we walk from sunrise to sunrise. Preparation is the key to our survival, a way to anticipate the forest needs.
The wood holds us close, a silent embrace that has weathered many storms. We rest with a watchful eye, for the forest is always in motion.
The mist is our constant companion, a white veil that covers the heights.
We plan for the dawn, knowing the forest will be a different world. The night is our silent partner, a time when the wood speaks loudest.
We watch the mountain with respect, for it is the foundation of all.
The day is done, and the height remains our safe and steady home.
We sharpen our tools and our minds, ready for the challenges of tomorrow.
Sleep comes easy when you trust the wood that has held your family.
The day is won, and the harvest is safe within our high stores.
The morning will bring new challenges, but we are ready for the height.